This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord's oil. First, gather your supplies: 4 to 5 quarts of new engine oil, a new oil filter, and a new drain plug washer. You will also need a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Always ensure your car is on a level surface with the parking brake engaged before starting any work. Now let's drain the old oil. Safely raise the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan, typically a 17mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the dark, used oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, usually a cylindrical canister. Place your drain pan beneath it, as some oil will drip out. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to about 30 foot-pounds. Lower your vehicle. Open the oil fill cap and use a funnel to pour in approximately 4.5 quarts of the recommended engine oil. Start the engine for 1 minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Ensure the level is between the minimum and maximum marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.